Hey guys, I'm Jacob, I'm 15, and I'm making this video for the Children's Brain Tumor Foundation. We've been in quarantine for a bit more than a month now, and I'm sure most of you are bored from either reading books or playing video games. Well, today I'm going to show you how to make a simple but reliable and fun paper airplane. You want to start with an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper. You're going to fold the piece of paper horizontally and crease the edges. After that, you're going to unfold the paper and create two triangles touching the middle line that you created. You're going to crease both of those down. Then you're going to take both of those triangles that you made and bring them down to the page, leaving about an inch at the end. Crease the top. Then you're going to make two more triangles out of what you just made, both of them touching the middle. Make sure to leave some room on the bottom to bring the triangle up. Carefully crease both sides. Then you're going to bring the small triangle up, covering the two larger triangles. Then you will fold both of the halves outwards along the middle line. Make sure to crease it very well. Then you will bring each flap of paper to the middle. This will be the wings. Make sure to crease each side very well, as this is the most important step. Push the wings up and down a couple of times to make them more flexible. Also, fix the nose of the plane. Then, bring out some markers and crayons and color your paper airplane however you want. Many people think they need to throw a paper airplane with a lot of force, but actually just give it a short lob with its nose sticking up. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Thank you so much to the Children's Brain Tumor Foundation for letting me make this video. Have a great day and stay healthy.